Welcome back to our channel, Food Truck Enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a topic that every food truck owner needs to know: the 7 most profitable desserts to sell on your food truck in 2023. Desserts not only satisfy sweet cravings but can also boost your bottom line. Let's explore the delectable world of dessert options that are not only popular but also a goldmine for your food truck business. Before we unveil our top dessert picks, let's understand why having profitable items on your food truck menu is crucial. Profitable desserts can significantly contribute to your overall revenue, covering expenses and increasing your business's sustainability. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the list of sweet sensations that are turning food truck owners into dessert dynamos. Number 7. Gourmet Cupcakes. These mini works of art are not only visually appealing but also high in demand. With a variety of flavors and creative toppings, they're a hit among all ages. Easy to store and make, cupcakes offer a healthy profit margin due to their low production costs. However, ensuring a diverse range of flavors can lead to ingredient storage challenges, and investing in unique cupcake packaging might be necessary to stand out in the crowd. Number 6. Churros Delight. Churros are a classic favorite that's making a grand comeback. These fried delights are easy to prepare, and the aroma alone can attract a crowd. With their simple ingredients, churros boast a high profit margin, making them a smart choice for any food truck owner. Yet, the need for deep frying equipment could pose a hurdle for trucks with limited space, and maintaining oil quality might require extra attention. Before we move on, if you are getting value from this channel, please help us out and subscribe. Number 5. Artisanal ice cream sandwiches. These Instagram-worthy treats are a social media sensation. The flexibility of choosing cookies and ice cream flavors keeps customers coming back for more. Despite the need for some preparation, the premium price you can charge makes them a sweet deal for your profits. However, ensuring consistent availability of various cookie flavors could mean increased storage demands for ingredients and equipment. Number 4. Nutty Creations nut-based desserts. From nutty bars to almond brittle, nut-based treats are gaining traction as healthy indulgences. With a growing demand for healthier dessert options, these delights are not only popular but also offer a unique selling point. Their shelf-stable nature makes them easy to store and prep, ensuring a delicious profit. However, the prevalence of nut allergies might require extra caution and separate preparation spaces to avoid cross-contamination. Number 3. Molten lava cakes. The ooey-gooey magic of molten lava cakes is a dessert experience that's hard to resist. With minimal ingredients and simple preparation, these cakes bring in sizable profits due to their gourmet appeal. Plus, their high perceived value justifies a higher price point. However, ensuring consistent quality and timing during busy hours might pose challenges, as overcooking even slightly can impact the molten center. Number 2. Mini cheesecakes. Creamy, dreamy, and oh so satisfying, mini cheesecakes are a portion-controlled delight that suits all occasions. Their versatility in flavors and toppings allows for creativity, while their easy-to-store nature and minimal prep time ensure a hearty profit margin. Yet, the need for refrigeration space could be a potential limitation, especially during hotter months, and maintaining a consistent creamy texture might require careful temperature management. Number 1. Heavenly Donuts. Who can resist the charm of a freshly made donut? From classic glaze to artisanal flavors, donuts are an all-time favorite. With straightforward preparation and affordable ingredients, they're a dessert dream for food truck owners. The demand for donuts remains steady, and their high profit potential makes them our top pick for 2023. However, the short shelf life of donuts could lead to increased wastage if not managed effectively. And there you have it, folks, the 7 most profitable desserts to sell on your food truck this year. Remember, the key to success is not just in the taste, but in the profit potential of your menu items. Feel free to mix and match these options to create a dessert lineup that keeps your customers coming back for more. For more food truck business help, watch this video on the screen now or join our food truck business owner community. The link is in the description. See you next time.